Alright, welcome back to the channel. Here we are, Lake Michigan in Muskegon. Yeah. Just gonna have a fun little beach day. And try not to get burned by the sun. Maybe, I don't know if you can see it in the background, that lighthouse. Do a little exploring around. We just got everything all set up. Nice giant beach blanket that Kimberly brought. Water resistant, nice. Stake down on the ground so it doesn't blow away in this wind. Yeah, we'll see what we can get up to out here. Alright, now we try to get in this cold ass water. Not looking forward to it, but they all want to. Oh! Oh, this is cold. Oh. It's freezing. Y'all wanted to go in this water.
I would say 45 degrees.
Probably, Jesus. It's cold. Looks like a bar of soap down there. Oh. What is that?
It's a brick.
It's like a brick, some writing or something on it.
Oh my God.
You right?
It's so much better. I sat down on purpose.
Oh, I thought you were falling.
No, she dropped down. Does it actually feel better? Because I really don't want it. It's my legs are really cold. Yeah, my legs.
It's about right.
Huh. Somebody must have thrown it and it broke. Oh man. How do the seagulls do this? Oh, it is so cold.
They don't have as much feeling in it.
I guess not. Jesus. Something. Oh, it's too cold. I can't do this. It's got to be like 2 degrees.
I can't do this.
I'm definitely. I don't know if I could go out there and be egg level, if you know what I mean, and survive. That'd be terrible.
Like it wouldn't be bad if my feet and my legs were going now.
Yeah.
Like I think I could do it.
Is it a?
What is that?
It's a brick Jeremy found. It's time for the Beachside Olympics. That's one. All right. Maybe we gotta start on the same side. All right. Nope.
That technically would be nothing.
Yeah, it's a wash. Oh, you traded a point? All right. Nope. Way off. Oh. In close. Nope. Come on. Ah. Even again. All right. Bam. Bam.
God damn.
Yeah, what's up? I've been sandbagging
Game
you this
over.
whole time.
Game over.
Where did that come from?
Just straight up like.
The entire game.
I'm actually a world-renowned cornhole champion. I just never told you guys.
Yeah, sure.
My limo's pulling up right now.
It doesn't show at all.
Oh, man.
Go first, sir.
No.
You're shaking your head, but Arthur's your teammate, so. I know.
2. I was about to walk over there and take. I just all 3 run in one.
Who's first?
Be you, yeah.
What?
You do, since we scored that one. Matches your bikini.
I haven't played in so long.
Woo!
3-0.
There's that. And where'd the other? Oh, there it is. I was looking for that one. All right. I'm one with the force. The force is one with me. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm one with the force. The force is one with me.
Keep that force going on with you, babe.
Yeah. Right in the cornhole.
I expect you to start calling me your beautiful wife.
Beautiful wife. Steve Wallace already claimed that. I gotta figure something else out.
My fugly wife.
No.
Same man as you guys are pretty. I know, but I want to get it in the hole.
Ooh. You balance it out. That's something. All right.
Man, look. Get it in the little hole because it doesn't count for anything.
Nope. Counts for style points.
I don't give a fuck about style.
2 more points. That's 9. All right. Woo! We win.
Look at that screen thing that I just stepped on that hurt. I don't know what it is, but
It's like a, I don't know.
I don't know, but it really hurt when I stepped on it.
Sorry, baby.
Like I think it might have broke my skin a little.
It's like a sharp piece of grass. It's gonna kind of break it up here. Throw it back down. Perfect thing to warm up after a -2 degree. -2 degree walk into the water. Nice little beach sandwich. It's a perfect beach lunch.
It's the shredded cheese for me that's falling.
When you're out, you got a MacGyver or something, right?
Yeah. So good.
Just ham and a Hawaiian roll. What about Nicole Folks about this?
Right. I do admit that they do taste better when you're drunk.
Oh yeah, most things do.
It was so good on the tubing bread. so easy too. You just cut the tops off and lay meat and cheese. We don't even add toppings. You could though.
Maybe a little hot sauce.
It'd be good.
What's everybody want to do next?
I don't know. We'll walk up to the pier over there if you want to. I wish I would have just wore my water shoes instead of those slides. The slides are really hard to walk on this type of sand. Because it's not like, you know, regular beach sand.
There's a sidewalk where you can walk over.
I know, it still just sucks.
Alright, next adventure to the pier.
Oh, we should get kites next time we come to the beach.
We should
I want to get a kite.
kite out there.
I haven't done kites since I was a little kid. Oh, I really want to do that.
It'd be fun to kite. Now we're walking up to the pier. Let's see what it's all about. A lot of people up here.
Pants are falling down.
Kim's pants are falling down.
I got my Bandsy bottoms on, so it's alright.
Yeah, it's fine. It's a free little show.
I can't walk that fast over the
Okay.
sand. It's slippery.
All right.
It's like
we'll see how
ice,
this goes.
but sand.
Sand ice. Land ice.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah. There's the lighthouse.
There's that lighthouse. Be cool to go over there sometime. Here. Well, I guess we're going to that lighthouse too.
Yeah, we're going there. I don't think that's the lighthouse though. The way that one is, that you could probably walk it. I don't think you could walk it. This one.
Yeah, maybe not.
I'm not sure.
Coming on up. Old, looks like a decommissioned lighthouse. Some sort.
I don't know, but look at all the boats.
Yeah, there are a lot of boats out here. A lot of sailboats and etc.
Etc.
Etc. It's a little marina exploring here. It's kind of cool out here.
It is really cool out here. Look at the skyline. Like everything looks pretty.
It does. Looks really nice. Like all the graffiti right here. Not so friendly people put up. Whatever. Let's see, all the way up there. It's crazy. Looks so big from far away, and I guess it kind of looks big from right here too. Yeah. We should get a yacht. That'd be fun.
Let's get one.
Yeah.
Pocket change.
Yeah,
we got it.
$1 million yacht would be fine. Yeah. Let's go around the other side real quick.
Guys, I know how to get it going up. Yeah, go through the pipes.
Yeah. Go through the pipes. That's a great idea. Maybe if I was a snake or something.
You only bro, this pipe leaks.
How'd that even happen?
A little exploring. Yeah, they definitely had to put a lock on that for obvious reasons. I like the weird Cthulhu looking stamp on there.
Let's take some selfies.
Alright.
Oh my god, that guy's getting on there again.
It's fine. Shit, alright. Bunch of graffiti and sailboats. Yeah, the inside's locked, so we can't actually go up in it, but whatever. Maybe the next lighthouse we go to. Just gonna meet back up Jeremy and Sarah, and we'll go from there. Alright, well that concludes a fun day at the beach.
You're not gonna let me do the talking like I
Okay,
did
go ahead.
yesterday? No, I'm just
Do
joking.
the outro.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and yeah. That's
Good
all I
enough.
gotta say.
See you in the next video.